pull it through the water like that? Oh, okay. Well, damn, there's a snapping turtle right by my foot, dude.
What was that?
Snapping turtle. He was sitting right next to me. I didn't even see him.
First fish. What is that, a little catfish? Little horny head. That's a long horny head.
I'm filming my first fish on the fly rod. You filming?
Yeah.
First fish on the fly rod, yeah. Oh, sunfish. I reefed it. Totally reefed it. Is he? Oh, dude. Trout. It's a trout. You rolling?
Yeah.
I'm rolling too. Oh. This one, he was like, no. And then I caught one.
Good looking fish, dude.
Got him.
Good one.
Hell yeah. The drag must be set real tight on this thing.
Yeah, I mean, you can adjust it on the side.
There we go. A little tighter though. That's better.
Not a bad one.
By any means. What an awesome day. Man, nailed that freaking fly, dude.
And you go get a preconceived notion of it's like this on a fly rod every time.
His little butt. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's a catfish.
Where?
Floating, you don't see him?
That dead?
No, he's swimming. He's going down now. Yes.
Oh, I see him now.
Little mad Tom.
I need to try it with the out. Look, he followed me all the way up. Did you see that?
Yeah. I'll catch one at your feet, I guess. Yep. I called that, didn't I?
Can he come up yet? Oh, a little bit.
Oh, on ahead. There he is. Another.
They must be a little bitty and can't get this gulp in their mouth where I'm getting hit this.
It's very possible.
They destroying it.
It's probably sunfish or hornyhead. Alright. Got a fish. Look at it. Ooh, dude.
Rainbow, I think.
Oh. Oh, no. Good fight. At least I got him on camera. Jumping out of the water. Sunfish. Pretty. And when I dried him off, he stayed on top that time. Oh, dude, I got one.
On the dry?
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, God, my drag's too tight.
Bring it here. Bring it to me.
I'm trying not to pull him too hard. He's fighting.
Stuff, dude.
On the dry side.
On my hand-tied elk hair caddis.
Beautiful fish.
Dude, that's actually something memorable because them dry flies, they don't always hit them easily.